Hi everyone, it's Donna from Spaceman Papercrafts, and I'm really excited today because this is the first video in a collab that I'm taking part in, organised by Sam, who is the Scottish crafter here on YouTube. There are quite a few of us taking part. The links for everyone's YouTube will be in the description bar below. It is a Halloween in August collaboration, which is great because we see a lot of Christmas in July and, you know, lots of different things like that, but Halloween in August I think is a really good idea, and I was really excited to be part of it. Excuse me guys, I've got a frog in my throat. So massive thank you to Sam for organising this collab. As I said, all the links to everyone else's channels are in the description bar below. And yeah, so what we need to do is basically either do a project, like a tutorial, or you can show a process video, or you can just show something that you've already made. Well, what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to make 2 cards because I've done a lot of the prep work beforehand, so it makes it easy for me just to breeze through. Okay, so when I think Halloween, I like cutesy Halloween. I don't mind, you know, the darker side of Halloween too, but cutesy Halloween, yeah, is kind of fun for me. So the first card I'm going to make is using this gorgeous stamp set, and this is from a My Favourite Things set. This is called, what's it called? Let me see. Which Way Candy. And it's got all these cutesy little images in. So when I say I've done the prep, I've prepped my sentiment, I've done my colouring, and with these I've just used my zigs, and I've kind of blended them in with each other and added a bit of water as well, so they are really cute images. So I don't know if I'm going to use all of them yet, but I love this sentiment. I printed this out from my computer. Excuse me. You say which like it's a bad thing, you know. I think that's great. And then I've got a piece of paper that I've cut from a paper pad from my stash that I'm just going to line up sort of there, and then we're going to add the images. So it is going to be quite a simple card, this one, and that's why I'm doing 2 cards. Okay, so let's get this piece on. I'm really looking forward to seeing what everyone else comes up with. I'm excited to see, because with Halloween, I mean, the scope is amazing, really. It's so vast what you can accomplish for Halloween. And then I know I definitely want my sentiment there, so I'll put my witch here, and I think I might add a pumpkin. Now, do I want the bat or no? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Right, let's get the sentiment on first. I'm going to have that flat because I don't want to run out of room to put my sentiment on. So I'm going to put that there. Okay, well, I'll put the witch down flat, and then I'm going to pop up the some pumpkins around her, I think. Put a little witch there, and then I'm going to add some, oops, some foam dots here. Have to add a big one or a small one. I think I might do a small one that side. See what that looks like. That's cute. I definitely want the cat. Or should I just have the bat, then pumpkins around the bottom? Okay, let's see what we can do with these pumpkins. I'm going to put a couple flat, I think, and then one popped up. we want the moon. And then I have a cloud going across there. Maybe one sitting across the moon. And then stick our little bat on. And then I'm going to pop the cat in the inside of the card. I'm just going to leave the inside blank because I'm not sure what sort of sentiment I want to put in. But there we go, that is the first card done. And it looks really cute, I think. So cute. Okay, so that's one. Then, just get rid of all my little bits and pieces now, my little mess. Then I've got, I'm going to do a card made with this stamp set. I can't really see because it's back to French. It's a lawn fawn set and it's called Happy Halloween. It's got the little dogs and all the little dress up bits and pieces. So I've already coloured in my dogs and also all the little bits and pieces, and I've coloured these in with Copic markers, and I've put them on. I've got a little Xyron sticker maker, and this is great for small images like this. You just obviously put them in and pull them through and they create little stickers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have 8 dogs on here, 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom and 1 on either side, and then I'm going to stamp the sentiment in the middle, and then I'm going to have them with all their little Halloween bits and pieces. So first thing I need to do is to, it's stuck on my ruler, is I'm just going to sort of draw some or do some faint, see how tall the dogs are. So once I get the first line I should be okay. It's a really, really faint pencil line. That's it. You probably won't see that, but I can just about see it. So I'm just going to peel my backer off here, and I'm going to peel this one off here as well. And then I'm going to start sticking my little dogs down. Now the colours I've used for these dogs are, I've done really simple blending for this. I've done E35 for the darker areas and E31 to blend that out. I just need to get my rubber now and rub out the little pencil line. There we go. And then I'm going to do the 2 at the side. In fact, I'm going to do the 1 at the bottom because that way I can line them up. just thought this would be a really, really cute card to do with all these little dogs in their Halloween costumes. And one here and one here. Okay, now before I put the costumes on, I want to do the stamping. So I'm just going to grab the stamp set. Now I want to have the sentiment that says Happy Halloween, but it's going to be too long. So will the Halloween fit? I'm just going to snip the happy. I know it sounds awful to snip your stamps, but don't be frightened to do it, because if you wanted them together again, you could just line them up together on their block. So don't be scared to do it. And I'm just going to line up the sentiments here in the centre of here of my card, if it will go. There we go. Check that it's going to go, it's going to fit nicely. Yes, it is. So I'm just going to get my VersaFine ink and stamp that down. There we go. Okay, so now we can get going on and putting all these little costumes on, which I think is so cute. We've got a mummy, a hot dog, an actual pumpkin, and then a little pumpkin like pail thing, and then we've got the dog bone in the bowl, superhero, a witch, and then there's a little crown there. There are more, but I'm just going to add these on our little dogs. So the colours that I used for the mummy costume, C3 for the darkest and C1 as the lightest. And then for the pumpkin, actually I might put the pumpkin down here because we need room for the top. For the pumpkin colours I used YR68, YR15 and E77 for the stalk. So I'm going to put that at a bit of an angle actually. I think it looks cute. And then I will make this one the superhero. So get his cape. Attach his cape down there, and let's put the little pumpkin pail with this chap. And then we'll pop crown on this one, a bit crooked, and then we'll do, I'm trying to see what's going to look better, where they're sort of positioned on the card. So I'm going to put the bowl in front of him, and then the hot dog costume on this one, and then the witch on the bottom one. Actually, I might just need the witch's hat on that one. Yeah, I think we'll just have the witch's hat actually. So that's our other cute. Oh, I've got an eraser, I'll just rub that off. But there's another cute one. So two cutesy Halloween cards for my first video in the Halloween collab, Halloween in August collab actually. So there'll be videos every Sunday in August from all crafters that are listed in the description bar below. Remember, all their YouTube links will be there. I think one of them is an Instagram participant, so that's there as well. So do check them all out, and I really hope you like this video, and yeah, pop along and give all the other channels a bit of crafty love as well. So thanks so much guys for watching this first Halloween in August collab video, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.